I'll try to unplug it. I can plug that in. Let's see. Could have swore I had my wire brush out here. Inside. What the heck happened to my wire brush? Well, there's a piece of shit car, jeez. When you're making more noise than the damn city streets, yeah, you got a junker. I'll just set that there. I swear I had my wire brush out here. Every time. Ooh, bug. Ouch. That actually hurt. Got a sliver right up my fingernail. Alright. Alright, folks. What we're going to do is maybe, geez, what? Oh, this needs to be lubed up. Damn it. Ooh. I'm going to pull this out. There's a screw right there that I have to get to, so for those that don't know, I'm actually changing this out to put this bracket on. Oof. Rotten eggs. Someone's got a gas leak. Oh. No. Oh, I hope that's not my gas meter. That was literally just put in. That's all brand new and shit. Oh, did I tell you guys? Last year they put in that meter, and now they're saying that they want to come back, tear everything back up, and put in a different gas meter. I shit you not, folks. It's the damnedest thing. They tore up my yard last year. Took me all year to get it 90% back to where it should be. Now all of a sudden they want to come back to do it all over again. They want me to schedule a time to actually do that. I'm like, hell with that, dude. There ain't no way. What am I doing here? No way I'm going to schedule a fucking time just so they can replace my damn meter. Although it does smell like it's... I don't think it is my meter that's leaking, but someone's gas meter is leaking. I can smell rotten eggs. Mine is brand new. Oh. I want to put some WD on that. Now, take this. Come on. That's my hammer drill. And it just doesn't want to slide off here. Geez, how much more do you need? Oh, come on, geez. Oh, damn it. There's a notch. There's a notch right here that this little notch has to fit in. Ouch, damn bug. Come on. Okay, there's that. Now, I need some power. Some power for the hour. Hour of the power. this. Oh, geez, there we go. Ah, shit, that hurts. Alright, you always want to protect your eyes, folks, for obvious reasons. Alright, don't be stupid. Oop. We're going backwards. Wow, that's hot. Alright, folks, I think that's the best I'm going to get. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to clean that out. That's a year's worth of hard water right there. Yeah, I can't even scrape it. I think that'll be alright. I put in more plumber putty there, put this back in, put the lock nut onto it, suck it down, should be alright. Put the drain pipe back onto it, and there we go, folks. I think I got me a nice clean drain bell. I don't have to go buy one, I guess, thankfully. It's the only thing I haven't, well, make sure that it's actually flat. Yeah, it's actually flat. Alright. Yep, well, there you go, folks. That was a quick vid.